Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Australia to USA through Remitly. So let's quickly dive into it. So one of the quickest way is to open the Remitly app or visit the Remitly website, which is your first step. Then step 2, you have to sign in or create a Remitly account with your details. Then step 3, you have to select the Australia as the sending country and United States, which is USA, as the receiving country. Then on step 4, you have to enter the amount of money you want to send. Then step 5, choose the delivery method, usually between bank deposit or cash pickup in USA. So on the step 6, you have to enter the full, you have to enter your recipient's full name, the bank account details, or the pickup details. Then select your payment method, which can be your debit card, your credit card, or bank transfer. Reveal your transfer details and confirm the transaction, and that's how you can easily send money or transfer money from Australia to USA through Remitly. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the description button and subscribe for more video guide.